Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A bull pursued by a lion took shelter in a cave which was the home of a wild goat. Greatly annoyed with the intruder, the goat began to butt the tired bull with his horns. He bore all the ill treatment of the goat with patience, saying, "Because I permit you to vent your displeasure on me now does not mean that I am afraid of you. As soon as the lion is out of sight and the danger is past, then I'll show you the difference between a lion and a goat." The name of the story, The Bull and the Goat. The moral. Those who take temporary advantage of their neighbor's difficulties may live to repent of their insolence. The second story. All the barnyard knew that the hen was indisposed, so one day the cat decided to pay her a visit of condolence. Creeping up to her nest, the cat, in his most sympathetic voice, said, "How are you, my dear friend? I was so sorry to hear of your illness. Isn't there something that I can bring you to cheer you up and to help you feel like yourself again?" "Thank you," said the hen. "Please be good enough to leave me in peace, and I have no fear but I shall soon be well." The name of the story, The Hen and the Cat. The moral. Uninvited guests are often most welcome when they are gone. Now, daily motivational quote. Every successful person in the world is a hustler one way or another. We all hustle to get where we need to be. Only a fool would sit around and wait on another man to feed him. K1. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.